In this lesson, we're going to go through kupu, words, or terms we commonly use for the pouaka mātau, or fridge. Pouaka is box, and mātau is cold, so pouaka mātau is fridge. Pouaka tio is a freezer. Tio is ice, so pouaka tio is a freezer. Anyway, let's get into it. On the bottom, we have our huarako, fruit, and our huawhenua, vegetables. Above that, we have our whatamiti, or meat. Whata is the word for shelf. Over here, we have our tihi, or cheeses. And next to that, our inu, or drinks. We have wai, water, inureka, fizzy drinks, and wai ārani, orange juice. On this shelf, we have our toenga kai, or leftovers from last night's dinner. I usually have them for lunch the following day. My dad used to always say, "Kaua e momo kai," don't waste food. Leftover pasta for lunch it is. On the door, we have our heki, eggs, pata, butter, and miraka, milk. We also have our kinaki, or sauces, on this side. And yes, kinaki tomato sauce, does go in the fridge. Give these kupu a go. Tēnā, karawhiua.